Hello from OGS Mechanics workshop. Another job in today, Mercedes CLS 21H chassis. Customer dropped it in well annoyed after having quite a bit of headache with this car because every time when the ignition was turned off, after a bit of time, the electric fan, the cooling fan, will come on by itself, either intermittently, either staying on permanently. It's something that we have not seen before on this model. This problem, funny enough, was generated by the fuel filter water separator. This element in here is shorting internally, and because of that it has caused a problem into this part, which is called the glow plug relay. This was turning, you can see the fan now is coming on by itself. The faulty glow plug relay was causing the fan to come on, but again the glow plug relay has failed due to the fuel filter. Quite a chain of events, yeah, it was quite an extensive job to find a bit of signal scoping and yeah, quite a lot of checks to conclude the problem, but we have done so. We concluded what the problem was, and again a glimpse of our type of work that we do in OGS Mechanics workshop. Thanks for watching.